In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trading 212 Desktop. First, open Trading 212 on your computer. There isn't a traditional downloadable desktop app right now, so use a modern browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and go to the official website. Sign in to your account securely. If you like an app-style feel, create a browser shortcut and set it to open in a separate window, so the interface stays distraction-free. Before placing trades, get comfortable with the layout. The home or dashboard shows your portfolio value, cash, and recent performance. Markets or instruments is where you search for stocks, ETFs, forex pairs, and indices. Charts let you change time frames and add indicators as needed. The orders or trade panel is where you execute buys and sells. You also have a watch list to save symbols you care about, plus notifications or alerts for price moves and account messages. If available, switch to an advanced view to unlock deeper chart tools. You can practice safely with virtual funds. Look for the practice or demo toggle to switch between your live account and practice mode. It's great for learning the buttons and testing strategies without risking real money. Your open positions, watch lists, and settings sync across devices, making it easy to alternate between desktop and mobile. When you're ready to place a trade, use the search bar to find the instrument you want. Click it to open the detail page, check the price and chart, and choose buy or sell based on your plan. Next, pick your order type. A market order aims to fill immediately at the current available price. A limit order fills only at the price you set or better, giving you more control over entries, especially in fast markets. Enter the amount you want to trade. Consider adding a stop loss and a take profit. These optional risk controls can close your position automatically at predefined levels. Review the summary, then confirm. Your new position or pending order will appear in the portfolio, where you can monitor performance, adjust stops and targets, or close the trade. Finally, make the platform work for you. Build watch lists to organize ideas, and set price alerts so you're notified when a level is hit. Keep an eye on notifications for market and account updates. In settings, switch between light and dark themes, choose your preferred language, and fine-tune alert preferences. That's it. Explore the layout, practice first, and move to real trading when you're confident with the desktop workflow.